Tired of seeing minimal returns on your savings? What if you could put your money to work and earn a much higher interest rate, all from the comfort of your own home? That's exactly what a BrioDirect high-yield savings account can do for you. I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of opening an account online. It's quick, easy, and can be done in just a few minutes. First, let's get your documents ready. You'll need a form of ID like a driver's license, passport, or a state-issued ID, and your social security number. You'll also want to have the information for an external bank account ready to go, as you'll need it to fund your new BrioDirect account. Remember, the initial deposit is $5,000. Don't worry, there's no monthly maintenance fee, and you only need to keep $25 in the account to earn that great APY. Okay, now for the fun part. Head over to the BrioDirect website and click on the Open an Account button. You'll be taken to the online application. Fill in your personal details, including your name, contact information, and social security number. Next, you'll need to securely link your external bank account. This is how you'll make that initial deposit and easily transfer funds in the future. Once you've submitted everything, you'll receive a confirmation email. It's that simple. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.